Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video again we are going to see a new review about the live market of 2nd September 2022 about our JJP Moneymaker indicator. So in the previous two videos we have discussed more detailedly about our indicator and we are continuously seeing the performance of our indicator. So now in this video we are going to see what happened in the 2nd September 2022 with Banknifty future right now, and I will be also showing with other scripts. So watch this video till the end, then only you can understand what are all the signals came for today entry as well as how we can make a use of our JJP Moneymaker indicator throughout your lifetime. So if you want to get access with our indicator, WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708 number, as well as if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. First of all, so as per the previous day entry, we have got a better confirmation, high probable entry, that it is a HP buy entry. As well as for this entry, the candle is closing above the both levels, so we can make a good confirmation that it is a high probable entry, and as well as the candle is closing above the both levels. So this is a valid entry. But as per our intraday schedule, we need to square off the trade entry in the last trade. But if you want to make an entry for the next day, we can calculate the previous day if there is no big gap up. So let us see what happened in the next day. So almost you can see the next day the market has been started within this level only, so there is no big gap up. So the market has been started near to the our level in 915. So after that there is a certain pullback, and again the market has been sustained here, and our stop loss level is here. The trailing stop loss is at 39,301. So once after the trade is taken, you can see here the next candle. So let us see what happened next day. And you can see right now also, according to the current market price, it is updating you the entry price as well as the trailing stop loss level. And as per for strike price selection, now we have given as a call option as well as put option. So once you are taking the entry, we can calculate the strike price selection. And the only one thing you need to note it on it, if you are in a live market, you will be getting any signals, whatever the signals it may be: buy exit, sell exit, buy entry, HP buy entry. Every entry you should see until it's not closed. So we need to wait for the candle to be closed, then only the signals will be confirmed. If you are getting a live market signal, it will be due to the fluctuation of the candle, it will be showing you a buy exit as well as in live market. If you want to get a clear view, surely you need to wait for the close of the candle. So until the signal is not validated, you just see here right now the trailing stop loss is that 39,301. That till now the market has been not hitted our trailing stop loss level. So let us see with the next candles. So perfectly for this trade entry, you can see the market, we have taken the entry. For example, if we have taken the entry here, almost in the first candle itself, it has been reached 233 points from our entry point. Okay, and again the market is giving a pullback, and till now the trailing stop loss has been not hit, and there is no exit signal till now. So now we need to calculate only after the close of the candle. So till now there is no exit. So for this candle also the exit signal has been came, but after the close of the candle the exit signal is not satisfied. So the exit signal is not confirmed till now. So for this buy entry, the stop loss is sustaining here. So there is no stop loss hit for this trade entry. So from the morning the market is sustaining with the range bound. So till now there is no exit for the buy entry as well as there is no movement for the buy also. From the morning starting candle, the market has given you a pullback, and till now it is sustaining below. So there is no movement till now. So now slightly the trailing stop loss has been updated, as well as again we got a buy entry here with 12:15. Again the signal has been confirmed. So this is not the close signal, because the previous buy also till now it is not hit any trailing stop loss or buy exit has been not came. And again there is a confirmation that it is a HP buy entry. Then we can surely make a confirmation that the market is surely for a buy entry only. So our money maker indicator, surely it has been said that it is a buy entry, and as well as for this trade entry also the candle is closing above the both levels. So surely we can say it is a confirmed buy entry. So if you have taken an entry in this candle, it's starting, you can see what is the performance right now. So now again there is a pullback. The market has been retested with our violet level. So almost finally in this candle only the trailing stop loss has been hitted and the buy exit signal has been came. So you just see here almost the market for our till this point the market has been in a sustained mode, and our the market has been came back near to our trailing stop loss, but the trailing stop loss has been not hitted. Finally we got the HP buy entry again. So once if you have punched the order in this candle also, it's given you a good movement. You just see here, if you have taken a trade as an intraday, for this trade also it's good. Almost 191 points has been reached for this trade entry, and the buy exit has been came. So you just see here, if you have taken here, it's also a lower entry only the previous day. But as per our rule of intraday trading, we should not mostly use our JJP money maker indicator for positional. But if there is no big gap up or gap down and news based, then surely you can use our indicator with positional trading also. Okay. So let us see the next candles. So again you can see here there is a again sell entry here. For this sell entry we need to see whether the candle is closing below the two levels. So this candle is not closed below the two levels, and again the next candle is also getting a pullback, perfect retracement. So that we can understand that the market is going to somewhat consolidate in this zone, because the candle is not closed below this level, these both levels. So let us see. So you can see here perfectly there is a trap. Again the market has been given you this much sell move, and the candle is closed inside our level. So this shows that the market is not giving you a better confirmation for sell entry. So till now the sell is not satisfied. Okay, I think now you have understood about our indicator. Once we get a confirmation of the sell entry also, if the levels are near and there is no breakdown for the sell entry, then surely it's not a good confirmed sell entry. We need to wait patiently. See here again there is a HP sell entry. For this sell entry also the candle is not closed below the two levels. So again we are waiting. So almost the market has been closed for this day. So if you are getting a confirmed closed signal below this level, then we can go for a sell entry, even though we need to wait for the candle to be retested in this level, because this is a market closed intraday session. So we need to wait for the next candle confirmation. If there is a big gap up or gap down as per the international news, then it's sure that it is not a confirmed entry. Again we need to wait for the next year. So let us see with the Nifty also what happened with the Nifty. Okay, so this is the day for Nifty. So for the Nifty, the morning candle, before candle itself, it has been given you a HP buy entry. The previous day HP buy entry has been confirmed in this candle, but as per the next day there is a big gap down. So this is why we have said that we should avoid the positional trading. So you can see there is a big gap down below the violet level itself. So it is confirming again that it is not a valid signal, because this candle has confirmed that it is a valid signal for HP buy. The candle is closing above the both levels. After the next candle, you can see the candle is closed totally below the both levels. So in this candle itself, it is confirmed that it is not a valid signal. So again there is a again the market has been taken a entry here for sell entry. So again almost the buy exit came here, and now you can see this is a valid signal because the both the levels are above. So the sell entry is confirmed in this candle. So for this entry you have taken an entry here, means almost this much points it has been reached in Nifty. Okay, almost 45 points reached in Nifty. And again there is a buy signal here, HP buy signal. So for this HP buy signal we need to wait for the candle to close above this level, so that the entry has been taken after closing above the level. So this candle is confirmed. So if you have taken an entry here, surely you can see the buy exit has been came here only. So the trailing stop loss might have hit here in this point. Okay, so this is the valid entry today. HP buy has been satisfied both with the bank nifty as well as the nifty. So it has given you a good movement. And finally you can see here the sell entry has been satisfied, but for the sell entry we need to wait for the candle to close below this level. And finally the HP sell is satisfied, and this is a valid signal for sell entry. Okay, so now you can go for the sell entry in this candle itself with the stop loss as per the trailing stop loss. Okay traders, so I will be showing you a performance about the today's stocks. So now we are seeing with the Jubilant Foodworks stock. So for the previous day entry there is a gap down today. So the intraday trade session has been closed the previous day. So again there is a gap down for the first candle. So there is no valid signal for this day starting. So let us see what is the perfect signal today. So now you can see in 9:55 candle it has given you a HP sell signal, and we need to see whether the candle is closing below the two levels. So it is confirming that the candle is perfectly closing below the two levels. So then we can go for a short entry in Jubilant Foods. And our trailing stop loss is updating here, as well as it is giving you the trailing stop loss point at our table. Almost it is trading near to our trailing stop loss. Till now the trailing stop loss has been not met. Okay, so in this candle the trailing stop loss has been met, so that the sell exit has been came here. So this is what the first trade entry with Jubilant Foods. So almost you can see how much points it has been taken. In this candle we have taken an entry, for example. So this trade has been met with 6 points from our entry point. 0.99% has been reached for this trade. And again we got a HP sell entry again. So HP sell is satisfied in this candle, as well as the candle is closing below the both levels. So it is a valid signal. So this is also a correct signal to make an entry for short. So now we have done with the trade. For the Jubilant Foods, the two trades has been done with a successful entry with HP sell entry. After the confirmation of the two levels closing below, we can go for a short entry in this trade also, and our trailing stop loss has been not met till now for this Jubilant Foods. Okay traders, thanks for watching this video till the end. And now I think you have understood about our JJP money maker indicator. If you want to get access with our indicator, WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.